Everyone says the sublimation market is oversaturated. Thousands of Etsy shops, thousands of similar designs. So the big question is sublimation still profitable in 2026? Or is it already too late to start? Here's the reason sublimation exploded in popularity. You don't need a factory. You can start with a small home setup, a printer, a heat press, some blank products, and suddenly, you're running a custom product business from your own workspace. The margins are what attract so many creators. A sublimation mug might cost $2 to $3 to produce, but it can sell for $15 to $25. That's why even small sellers can turn simple products into real profit. But the market has definitely changed. Platforms like Etsy now have thousands of sublimation sellers, which means generic products don't stand out anymore. If your design looks like everyone else's, customers will simply keep scrolling. Customer expectations are also much higher now. Buyers want sharp prints, bright colors, and designs that last through dozens of washes. Quality isn't optional anymore. It's the difference between great reviews and refunds. Despite the competition, some sublimation products still sell extremely well. Custom tumblers, personalized mugs, branded shirts, and seasonal gifts. These products combine everyday use with personalization, and that's exactly what customers love. Another reason sublimation continues to grow. The startup cost is still relatively low. Many beginners start with a printer, a heat press, ink, and blank products. Most setups cost somewhere between $600 and $1,200, which makes it one of the most accessible small businesses you can start. So is sublimation still profitable in 2026? Yes, but success today depends on strategy. Choose a niche, offer personalization, focus on quality, and build a recognizable brand. If you do that, sublimation can still become a powerful small business opportunity.